Hi everyone, Rhett Price here, CTO of IndySoft, and today's Tip Tuesday we're going to talk about our new installers. A little sneak preview. We've done redone all our installers across all our product lines. Some of the feedback we've gotten from customers are it's a very large application, so we wanted to increase the speed of installation, make uninstallation not a required part of that install. Therefore speeding things up greatly. And so I'll demonstrate here with our print server application. And again, this is across all our product lines, but this is a very quick way to show you the new look and feel. You'll see very quickly, I can step through it, do the install. Before, with the previous client, you'd have to uninstall it and reinstall. This allows you to just simply reinstall again. So it's a much faster process. We also allow non-administrators to install the application in certain cases where that's appropriate. Before, we always had to be at least installation rights. And if you don't have that now for some of the ancillary products, then it simply will install it just for you as a user. It's completely secure, but you don't have to have an administrator install that. So yeah, we're real excited about it, and that'll be in our upcoming 12.2